Hi, today we're gonna make spicy salt and pepper spare rib. That's a spare rib. Buy the already cut one, or you can have somebody cut it for you. And it's just an inch, 2 inches long. We use about almost 2 pounds of ribs. Like that. Like that. So I got about 2 pounds here. Some soy in it. Here's soy, and Chinese five spice powder, and some black pepper, sesame seed oil, just cooking wine, just a little bit. And that's about it. We're gonna put some cornstarch in it to kind of make the coating. So make sure they cover heavy pieces kind of evenly. So just like that. It's pretty simple. Okay, and that's about it. Then after that, you heat up some oil, or in a pan or anything, in a pot or anything, and heat it up until you can try it. We put a little green onions in it. See they are bubbling. So if it's bubbling, that's fine. So you just put the ribs in it. See, like that. And kind of stir them a little bit and make sure they not stick together, And you can see them browning, and so you can fry them until they are kind of browning a little bit, like that, kind of brown. Usually they cook about 5 minutes or more. It's almost up. So we're gonna pick up one and cut it and see they're okay. So find a little bigger piece and you can cut them open. Okay, this is pretty thick pieces right here. So you just hold it and see, you can cut them. So you hold it like that and you can cut them open like that. Oh, it's not done. See, you can see that they're still red, So we're gonna cook it a couple more minutes. Okay, we're gonna try the other pieces. There's the other piece here. We can cut it open. See, you see this one? It's all white. So this should be done right now. So you're gonna put it up. So you just hold it. Okay, see, I gotta find the other half here. Okay, that's about done. And now it's about right. So it takes about 5-6 minutes. Kind of like that. You see inside the white. You see. So that's done. Okay. Then now we scoop them up. Okay, that's it. That's all in there. Oil in it. Just a little bit oil, like that. About 1 tablespoon of garlic, and put some ginger, cut up gingers, about 2 tablespoons of ginger, and a little bit of cut up onions. You're just using half of these, about half a cup. You say half, and also the cilantro, and some onion, any kind of onion, diced onion, and also the red pepper, red color pepper. And that's it. Then you kind of mix them up. Just browning them so you can get the flavor out. Couple tablespoons of cooking wine. And now you can put the ribs in it, okay? Then after you get them evenly mixed up, then you put the other half of the green onion and the cilantro in. And now you're going to put the half tablespoon of crushed red pepper, hot pepper. See, like that. And that's what they call it, red pepper sauce. Okay, so you sprinkle some of them on. You just sprinkle over enough to cover the whole thing. Okay, like that. And also some black pepper. Just a little bit, any amount. So that's a sauce here, and you just sprinkle some sauce on it. Okay, and that's it. And you can shut it off. Wow, it's real spicy. Make me cough. Okay, then that's it. And we got last thing. I always want to put little sugar in it. Any kind of sugar. Just sprinkle some of them on. Just like that. You know, just like that. Okay, and that's it. Okay, this is a spicy salt and pepper spare rib.